Warning, this will be a very boring vlog, so if you don't like watching boring vlogs, maybe you shouldn't watch this. Hey guys, we're going out with my mom and my brother, and it's late, so hi mom. Hey bro. Are you excited, mom, that we are going out?
So excited.
So excited. This is the best day in Cyprus. We stayed inside all day like a pig, and we slept all day.
No.
I mean, you. Did you sleep too, Emete, mother?
Siesta.
Huh?
All day. Siesta.
Terranova. My mom found a treasure. I found a job. Staff wants it. I saw this before as well, and they're still looking. Tiger is open. Do you want to go in? I swear I look like a cockroach with these glasses. I don't want to wear them anymore. It makes me look ugly. I need to get used to wearing contacts, but I'm just too lazy. But I will get used to one day. We need to come here later on to get frozen yogurt. We're going to Ocean Basket, guys. It's amazing. Best fish restaurant that you can ever go. Ali is telling my mom to buy these. Emete is waiting for the food to arrive. Emete is very hungry. Show us your ring. She loves her ring so much. Emete is very happy. Her food arrived. Is it delicious? Ali likes his food as well.
Are you a couple? Paparazzi. Emete. Do you like younger boys?
No cameras please today. Sorry.
I think you like old woman. Yes. More experienced woman.
What the fuck, Ali? Kapat. Hey guys, today is the next day and this is what happened. Our fridge decided to explode. My mom said the machine inside burned. I don't know what's it called. So they're gonna fix it in 4 days. Yay! Mom, are you happy about this? Mom, are you happy about this?
Angry diyeceğim. Ne bileyim. Dün temizletti benim evim.
She's very mad because we had a cleaning yesterday, and this happened. Now the kitchen looks like shit, and everything's gone to waste. Like everything inside the fridge gone to waste. I mean, guess the most of it. I don't know, but yeah, we're fucking off because we can't. I mean, live without a fridge in summer in Cyprus. So we're going on a holiday. I mean, we're going to stay at a hotel for a couple of days until it is fixed. Yeah, I have a new bed cover, by the way, but it's not done, so you can't see. It's New York, I think. Yeah. Sorry guys for this shitty vlog. I mean, I don't think I've done much on this vlog, but oh well, some days are like that. I'm gonna end my vlog right now, guys. I love you guys and be happy. And I saw your comment, Paco, so adios.